Hello there and welcome to our Christmas show. It's that time of year again. We have to get our Christmas tree. We have to make our annual Christmas tree ornament. So time's a wasting. Let's go. Hello there and welcome to our Christmas show. It's that time of year again. We have to get our Christmas tree. We have to make our annual Christmas tree ornament. No time to lose. Let's get going.
Take the next left on Schoolhouse Road and you will arrive at your destination. At the roundabout, take the second exit. I said, take the second exit. What is your problem? Take the f***ing exit. Thank you.
Okay, we have our tree. And now we have to make our Christmas tree ornament. It's been a tradition of ours for 26 years to make a Christmas tree ornament from the previous year's Christmas tree. And here is our very first ornament we made back in 1993. Numbers are burned in. And every year since then, we've made an ornament. So this year shall be no different. And here is the slice of last year's Christmas tree. So we're going to make an ornament from that. And I thought what we would do to make it interesting is cut an opening out here. We're going to burn the date in below, but we're going to cut an opening here. And Jonine is going to make an ornament that hangs inside that opening. So first thing we need to do is cut that out. Okay, here is our finished product. This is the Christmas ornament for 2018. Rather hastily put together this year, I must say. We did race to get this done, and it's not our finest work, but we're going to be happy with it. So we've had a good year, and we've enjoyed sharing our project with all of you, and look forward to doing many more shows. So until then, have a very Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
That was that.